Pretty my say.
Over. Some
Some
you didn't come Accra. I'm far Kotoko players. So for now, 4 youth team players, 26 and a core. Accra. 4 youth team players. I think for the 4 youth team players, you can't really make a I'm clever or being clever, son or being. They know our Pajo excellent performance. And you know, obey the third choice over debut a bit me a third choice. They don't say Abu Adams right back. Lord Amwa is expected to come back somewhere around December. Jova Abansanes Abuno Okrukrembi with Kote me a heavy a bare first round I had here. And then we got Lawson in the middle. Yeah. Knowing your best mark for on the dash screen or over. Also trying their best. So I think for the 4 youth team players they all deserve a slot. Now my issue has to do with the Mumbai observation. Our club ne found. And we need to let's say I can't see Mitchell boys in the
Momo Bayan. Okay.
Yeah. Dalad Ibrahim of I want to make a being for Dalado. Coach ne pe keep out me bobono. Dalado so ya there. To major pass no Bobby. Or that put mounts on pressure be any. So if Kamara leaves and Dalad Ibrahim comes in, whereas he's on a diary on your bench, you say tough campaign as he's in any abrepa. Hey, no, Masa. Yeah,
Dalad go in the field and saw by and we are 3 crucial saves. Yeah.
As he's soon as anybody.
Yes.
You know, so any abrepa.
Whoever we take a pony.
Exactly. So for the goalkeeping department of VVI is solid.
Clevers and crab on the Clevers of
Ali Omar and a peme kind uncle for being tiasi of a meme point in it. See a job be quite now bar. There was Sudi also. I did not enjoy him that much. Oh
no, I find Ali Omar
left back
or a foreign
or a Ghana.
Ghana, okay.
Bernard gave me the amount for so boy. Left back on. But give no more ball.
Mudwana.
Nimunye do baby asa.
Okay.
But give no more ball.
Best I want to me who back could be minimum so no idea. What's the press?
Left back.
Okay.
Man who he. Men can't wasa.
Yeah.
Monsieur Pigeon. Of Ambatwata say. This is pre-season. But me pursue Pigeon. Of I may expect to say. Set him mobile Pijano. A new coin will be comfortable in the position. A new coin say position with you as assume a
Yaka.
Debbie. Intimate Dalad ne Aziz manage the economy. Sana me person me he will be Obama Patrick Asidu competition. As the last thing at the point next year do money drop you. Obi who be a do even a drop way. But now I can pull it. Tedu and Nazito Bo Joseph Amwa. Our left back. What is it to know per amoa pa? Kotoko match of fan say, oh, you'll be a bit defending here. No, because that's it to are more defending here. But now, Quentin pushy. So, maybe point in here say, and you can say, oh, but not stone I castle, oh, waba. A see you do that.
So, a body be
into preseason now, call a crown. Genum. A dear be a rectangle who the mono. On double. Non proving a movie say,
oh, I know,
Omano, okay. Left horn. Nan quite to say, tinkling your headache. Oh, between no any Patrick Asidu.
I guess you are
media maker. Abdul Kader, dear Mono, of also signals. To me, joining attack, boss shot be. So you'll be a free ball for mommy, magic. And we realize that they only are there tinkle pay. Not an excellent game against Ebony, but these were fine things that I was looking at. Me okay. Opoku ajamai. Opoku pejem.
How form? Madam, I'm correct. I can't wait in the day.
We dear.
Say dear.
Opoku to us see. I mean, for say. Boys never quite crown. And you mean you're not make it a finalist too. Sure. And no crampon or young cancer. Young come to
the said to a boy. I don't know when you're not there. Would you go to my free cry and I say, I'm not
nti opoku ball na obo eh yine
masana na say
you know kosi mintanko se kotkose kwa pokunko dia
ni jawa
na oba
so exceptional
se wo pagem ha Dogone Donzu dear. Me am more crass of Mickey listen.
Donzu no asa kakra ko da no last year back kakra wa na. Oh yeah sure say.
So me nim say Astro Tef na
me dem ko here kakra. O be petri wo ho de.
O say ya petri ho no. Ya pe poke crowd. Gegra.
Yeah, hey, Donzu na yeah is a ko
sa. So no Accra no mo ko no. Wo mo pejam.
Okay.
Ova Kotoko afa Emmanuel Mama. Na mama nkasi so dua entire obia or here say. Emmanuel Mama is not going to onye Meka is not going to as a me can't be see that.
Okay.
Obi anim that asem. But Emmanuel Mama na ofa yen du minim no no. Onye striker. Oma 14 goals, 15 goals, 20 goals a season. Yen can't ho. Se go se ene ye de susu dua ofa oni onka a class for no. Sani Mbela ma 21 abetamu despite the plan on 14 Mukwala no na mobino. Mama is not built in that form.
Rasunam kroma dia wa.
You got them as my friend call for no come say that can be the major charity. Oba. He is comfortable on the ball. Se ball na ye bone die. Go my head matches be of what me free bench ba. Maybe asama tesili na pressure wo mu ka create me ball man obegina so. To say defender you bone mu ball be protect ball no.
Okay.
Se ball no yam won pa.
But any mere so be more than say.
But there me nim die.
And okay.
When you obi a obo match ne no ahye, o kina no ahye, na bia ba ku bia fam, na ade a chia wahye. Sir Faye no ba be develop that aspect of his game dia.
And so coach is in between the count.
Good. So lemma Kotoko Chitafo ni hu say he is not that your elite goal scoring number 9 Eric Beckham mu die ni bi. Just that oyobia no so for he no wa. Oye chingling die but onyo mo a opia na obeto form ni bi. Nse wo number 9 obetimi abon wo number 9 na chi. No apempem e de ama wo striker no in a two top system. Minim de tinkle hu wonimu. But at a point so no be sa tia se because Ghana league na e bo no. Strikers no mo shake bibiri ne ndoso. The statistics were about 79 matches, was 20 goals. That means about 4 matches be no 1 goal. Sana na the NTA. In the season of about 34 matches, you are looking around 8 goals to 9 goals from him. If Kwasa, that is what he brings on board. But he's the kind of player or allow people around him to flourish. Enjoy Baba Musa Midu. Any Evans will say Usua, time on your mobile now. And I'm so or high defenders, you know. Na Evans ne Baba Musa mutimi fa obehye. But like I'm saying, he's not your prolific goal scoring number 9. Yemfa sa de ne nto. Nti oba na ntra toto ne nye bebre a. Hen wan kopɛ say you can say bed enko suimi enye ne de no. Ono so odi beba. Maybe he will develop. But over my point is ono so Kotoko ba na oba no. O me pija ball no. Enye samates de na bia oba on elevate na nyoma no enkosoro. I can't say much about Isa Yakubu. Over mention down here no. Just that and then na mo baby ye ne former Dreams FC coach bi di nkomo just to find more about him. Some na coach ne kan ne de over na ekrojen.
Efa Isa Yakubu no.
O kan ye.
O say striker na.
There be a defender.
Defender okay.
Coach you obi onim Kotoko munzemba. Na he say no describe Isa so he samba ball na say farmer Isa obetimi abobi.
Obo ne say the samba ball ni bia.
Na ni edin kakra.
Okay.
Passing no. Azano panajibo ka. And this coming from somebody who ain't ho adwuma as a coach. Say passing ne ye. Of I own yimpia ball no. Any idea ne ye. Me ankasa there is not somebody that I've watched personally. But I want based on the na coach in a Canada. Or see how good in the air, you understand the Premier League. Or allow my own bulino. And also what about league in Aceh? I think it's around 28 years. So for to kwayama when it comes to the experience. Everyone say Kotoko ball of a pressure womb. Now you'll be your experience. Oh, and you'll be a banner as a and then I'm a nase. Oh, when crowd now no shikino. because of akwentu on say samba ne ablo of abekaya omura mu na peke dentia normal top level football, so they were not scared of the crowd, they were not scared of the pressure. But when you obi san na kofa kwanche for ni ba fa nso obeba no the team hey was about na yim assession. So that is for the local contingent, you know. In general, about the signings of Kotoko, no, main case a top level. Maybe they now have to come and justify for us to see. Maybe as some I'm free, I can't free to tene say. Kotoko, I'm a players ma 19. I'm register my last season. This season Kotoko and register me. And that should tell you Kotoko is building an entire new team. The first thing you need to put across is Abotre. Me can say we have no pan say. Me share the motive of the Kotoko board. Oh, any sika accommodation Kotoko mua. What they need is patience. Over, I've witnessed this firsthand. Me who be firsthand. About Dr. Kwame Chibai. Dr. Yewe went to full Garosage, signing players. Of Abotre anko no. Obo se na ade no. We be ba so na ade na wo hye na nyina adwiregu. Because enya start ball na. Ehia na edin so benya ahoden de akọ other aspect of Kotoko, especially when the team is not performing. Ehia na edin. If the team is not performing, na supporters na dia tum si enya bra. E ma mo mpanifo mu nya asomdwe. Mu ko meetings amutimi dwene other things so. But whenever team nem performing, na supporters na soja of a muko meeting na dem odwini nyina ne be 3 points. Now we want to see Kotoko beyond the 3 points, where infrastructure is active, and that is what the board want to do. So once was steady me nkomo na de bia me kase ye you bi no mbra na de ode e bosumi ya akai onye na adwuma so ye nkase ye ba be lusu match bia ye nkase ye be me ho kwa ma obi aba be hyen na mom se ye hyase na anko hyewa munya Abotre fi se yen ya pensu de ye ne suade hunu fa Kotoko ne so chan park so nkoa
no na okuka supporters ni bin tiase
ne so nkoa na eba be susu de ya nyoma e kan wa ye ni so no
obe mexi no
ye be mexi no somebody need to speak that, because for me players na Kotoko sign no anyhow omu ye team no, I don't expect Kotoko to hit the ground running. I'm not being harsh, I'm not being negative, but me points me expect Kotoko bojanum no ma diri bi biagu omo bojanum no mo be 4 no mo be 5, because think rananka sampo his understanding of the Ghana game nyanduru ho o sometimes wutie me recommendations but I coach onyante ye ball na ye na se wa over but what I say, so he's going to learn the Ghana game on the job, and that is why I'm say foreign coaches no mo ba omo nya ade omo ntimi nji league omo ba omo contem, because obe hu ne omo bia send your nimfa ball na be foforo de ama no into enya akoma ngira no pe oba ha obeja hwako, but they have good intentions. So my point is now what you we are yekoya over womoma the communication aspect na no contem omoma target ne mra e bia first season in your league je see a sign big there but in your league je second season me hu ye last na tapoku ye bi aduana na manfo so aduana e sign pa they were clear said debi yes remo afi ne ehihye on say nya sa enka aduana FA Cup no afirim enka aduana league went me anje a come senka of pressure beba but mo boss ade ne ho even when aduana at the point no mo da o ka first two no mo ni media ma e pra mo timi gi league mpo no sa ade na ato chitafo ne tirim nti o mo slip ye no obi anka he. That is how you build, because Kotoko pressure of I'm telling you si nya start na pressure ne start here
bia anka bibia na e pa
na men kan
ho airport residential area
good
so ho ye baby a prime, one of the prime areas in Accra baby a titire ne 19% wo motena ana wo motete no bi eno no enti so wo say area view no e capture ko akiri enti but sa community no but of apartment say no yana ne boarding pa we no me did say a mumpany born mammy.
No more kind of
night. Some more any born per night.
No more kind of Saudi Bay.
Me person de casem. Because $90 per night. And from 90 to $150 per night. And over. So with the more on facility send the city send your immunity.
Money no be problem.
This is yeah, such privilege. Yeah, such treatment. Adentia because a person bobo ma bobo quick masa Asante Kotoko. Ofa, enye se bia obi feri obi slow obi. Enye se bia obi anya ne ho abroso. But se wo bebo ball ma Kotoko ntino. You say hanom na ye de koda. Ye mfa ne say for the next 2 weeks there ansa na obebe kumase bebo democracy cup no. Ahayi na obeda. Ni nyina no fa ko bobo wo ho for the season ahead. Say you're spending all this amount, all this opportunity offer. There's a saying, say, he that much is given, much is also expected from. He that much is given, much is also expected from. Enti ye we ma odia. Sa omo master to omo ka che say, na your statistics na ana ye bo season na Kotoko supporters mu na abotre season we dia ya anyi league kura anya hwe no ye ntie. Momu omu nya ika. Because obi ne hobobo ka say na be man bisa. Mi amia
omo so kana mo bo so ntezo onzo bo ka so okoji league nti.
Osi
men ka say oji enye o but e kanum enka hwe. Ntezo league nti. Chenchera abaji nti.
Offer.
My Kotoko pressure mo mesro.
Obi pressure obi Kotoko mo obi no buy this investment for nothing. So yeah, obi here this investment I just said if I can't expect something in return. You don't make investment like this for nothing. No. You are expecting something good in return. Of a man if you say board chairman statement I announce Eric Tinkler no. Statement ni ka che say board chairman target ni say onkoji league no Africa. And when Africa pressure no. Africa down no mo da no.
If you reach danger.
Oh, offer danger say
na hu dan ya.
And then am ko dem na Africa dan yo. When we Africa we mu na wo da.
Me so me mo to kwa Sudan eh.
Africa we mu na wo da.
Eno de ende no kre we ne se so bi eh.
Enti wo di bobo ho de be boli.
But em pese me hu ne say eno ma mu.
Usi de na ma.
We ni face tu ni e ko ye mo nko da be pa na mo nyere mo honye.
Last time the source no. But we you know what we
target bi am.
That be target in there. You set it on the target.
Why you go na ba fire ma pressure ni mu.
Pressure wo offer. Target ni waka de nie.
Ene de.
Abi na be omo da ho no.
Akade na unso represent players ka ho na market de we pay.
Maybe players asem na me kan yo.
So we ka so mo beba. Go say be 10 ko. Ebi nyamba bi no ba.
At the last count local players amo efa omo ko ye eyina de no. So far mu be 4 ko aka ho. Foreign for be 5 aka ho 9 no. Ofa me boa. Enti number players in the assembly ho omo the 26 players na call you. Say season number register 35 omo the 26 ko.
Be 10 pe.
Nti aka be 10 bi.
Okay.
And the bomdo be ka ho. At any given time bia no 18 11 plus 7 na me boa. At any given time bia 10 no na enti already na no 11 plus 7 18 no kwa yenya da ho dada. And dey da ho. Enti offer media me always say obi ebo kaya investment say ya.
Okay.
As I say it yielded the required results. Me must make nyina no no.
Obako ha sa na offer ka kana.
How much interested me be Kotoko akodaye omu dan omu damu ne they deserve better. Kotoko is a victim. You know, se sikandi ho ana usora say akora eso no uso anajo. Offer say uniska na say moment. You see the point. Siska or there, you get the best for your worst. So that's hotel fine. But maybe I will tow the lion of the Nazaki to Ekano because Saturday be quite cool alignment Kotoko exercise no more. First, me feel that exercise, you know, officer exercise then long overdue say come here dada omo ye bit behind I don't just
like say if you corner na say omo bobo that match
say come here dada because supporters in frustration e wo ho na you go tell say ade aka bi kan ka omo ye no adako jachi bi ewie omo de na nka say come hu team na kodoko team no na kodoko bo at the level bi o they can see say coach think labai you know say no add to the team what I say the style of play ni
no me oba ya nche de obede wa ye kapi minim say do no mo keka no hon
so tiro be kan say ah o say oba ya at least kodoko training e ko third week ni
okay
third week ni it is say kodoko start so obo match once o ma ye de o so me no
so bu ha wontimi nyina mo am kasa wontimi nyina training so nko an kasa player bi nko sometimes so unya try match bi
me sen ko ma ye me fit say sen no ma ye kakra dada what I say you won't be graduate think like onya but you are looking at team no calendar now with the year man and that time man we that exercise you know as against the feelings of the supporters because
supporters in there sabre mo fa feelings ni mamu o kan o mo ntiase na o ma tag sabre ya fa feelings ni
that is how they are
over am nto o mo was kakra
o go so yan football se no nka ho onu dey so Kotoko team
a chance here pre-season na boy money the players be kwa o say me feelings rain
everybody focus on number 10 bi na ojibo na o 10 Kotoko defenders I
everybody na ball 5 you know
I'm the one ha no
we the ball ha no and you for no Bernard for no 22 years no akwane baller yes
na the number 10 10 Kotoko defenders in and out yet nema na so your Kotoko but na Kotoko level pedigree now all players are who bobo mu di home jump park no so hu a you will be frustrated and I took the chance to even talk to some of the supporters say omo relax say baby everybody level omo one not that omo ahead of Asante Kotoko but in training wise how on load the players no now if the players no get it off from the load the omo no more ba no you don't expect that it will come
okay
so over Accra no is supposed to be an upgrade of Kumasi because they omo selection awie me babia me pattern me busa say you can say play bo ho na you dopo no wan ko be doesn't mean say apam no you over untimi nka say apam player abra enema yes o yema player no ko no una so mpe no onyema no
ya ne janyama mienu
I want to say
okay bo kra ye mpere mo mpe club man mo mpe loan bi man nko mo de na yise nyamu nche mu ni
ye mo akwa yes you tuama na woko
yeah sure
you know these are some of the things
I'm going your
but over yeah you know when you say Accra no because will be a great van source ATM now so set in Accra there will be additions that's what we are looking at you better addition
okay
you heard them do to me the above account
so
are we the
captain me da say
yeah
I mean call